Hello YouTube, this is Golden Emon1 here, and today I am happy to announce that we are going to start the build for the Guardian. And today I'm going to be using, hey guys, it's Austin and Linus Tech Tips. I'm going to be using their video guides to help me through this process. So you may see me switch between screens, you know, look at the video, look at the iPad and see what I'm doing really. But nonetheless guys, let us begin. Alrighty guys, it is the moment of truth. I have hooked up my PC power supply, everything's hooked up together with the monitor, mouse and keyboard plugged in, and it is the moment of truth to see if everything has worked. The cable management so far is really bad, but I'll sort that out a bit later, but here we go guys. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay. Okay. Alright, now we're waiting for video. We need video. Oh wait, there's on switch. Alright, come on. Come on, baby. Oh yeah! Oh yes! Good, good. Are we getting anywhere now? Okay, no signal detected. Seems like everything's working. Thank God for that. So now what I'm gonna do is try and get this thing to Windows 10. So we have finished the PC build. Let's just take another quick look at it. We're still installing Windows 10 updates, and I still got cable management to do. But judging by the tone of my voice and the lighting in this room, you can tell that this took me a very long time just for it to get to this stage. But we're finally here. I'll get the cable management done before the next episode. So in the last episode of The Guardian, the PC build, I will make sure the cable management is done and everything will just be so smooth. And I'll just tell you guys all my experiences and the advantages, disadvantages, what I should have done, what I shouldn't have done, and so on and so on. So we'll get to that in the next episode. But nonetheless, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.